What's up, everyone? This is Nick from D&D Family Farms, and this is, what's it called? What's up, everyone? It's Nick from D&D Family Farms, and this is Welcome to My Coop. As you see here, we have a luxurious A-frame style lifted coop that's capable of holding 50 of those Chicken Daddy?
Yeah.
Chicken Daddy. With plenty of room, approximately 1,200 square feet. Look at them. Behold my chicks. Living such a luxury lifestyle. Only their daddy can give them. As you can see here, as a part of our deluxe A-frame coop, we have a 6x6 deluxe style suites for each of our hens. We have spacious 15x15 areas with ventilation, so they always have fresh air. Happy chicks mean happy hens, mean happy eggs.